this IBC tote. I didn't find much information on the internet about cleaning them out and how people do it, so I wanted to put a video up quick. So, it has water-based adhesive in there, PVA, glue. As you can see, I've scraped most of it out. So when I got this, the glue was still liquid for the most part. I drained the rest of the glue out in a milk jug, and what I should have done right that day was pressure wash it out while the glue was still liquid before it set, because what happened was I ended up bringing it over here and I poured a little soapy water in there, and then I just kind of gave up for the day and I left the lid off, and the part where the water was fine, but then the rest of it had set already. So it was very hard to scrape off. Originally I made this thing with a dust pan, just an old one we had, but it's too flimsy, it's too flexible, so it wouldn't scrape the glue. Then I found this ice scraper, which works a lot better, but it still I wasn't even strong enough to scrape it off in some spots, so I ended up putting more soapy water in there and letting that soak for another day. And then it softened it up enough where I could actually scrape it. So I've been scraping at it. There's spots where it's hard to get to, but I'm just working my way at it. And then once I completely scrape it, everything I can scrape out, I'm gonna get the pressure washer and just get the rest of it out. Also, I have this scrubber brush I'm gonna use a little bit on where I can reach with it. But yeah, it's been quite a project, and just wanted to show how I got it to work, basically. So what I'm doing is kind of like, how do you see? Kind of scrape at it, and then I'll put it on top of it, try to pull it out, just get as much as I can with the scraper, and then yeah, I just have to pressure wash the rest of it. But hopefully this helps someone. It's been pretty challenging. I'll post a clip when I'm done cleaning it. But I'm also, to get the glue out once I scrape it off, I'm using the ice scraper, and then also this thing that I made as a scoop, and I just scoop it together and pull it out. And I've gotten quite a bit out so far, like that. So here it is, all cleaned out now.